Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffle sauce for fries. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1 to 2 tablespoons of truffle oil, and a 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a clove of fresh garlic, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of truffle oil. Next, add your finely minced garlic clove and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Stir everything together gently. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until it's completely smooth and all ingredients are well combined, creating a creamy base. Once your sauce is mixed, it's time to perfect the flavor. Take a small taste and adjust the salt and black pepper as needed. If you desire a stronger truffle aroma, add another 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of truffle oil, stirring well after each addition. For the best taste and texture, cover the bowl and chill your truffle sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade truffle sauce is now ready to elevate your fries. Serve it immediately or keep it chilled for later. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 5 days. This sauce is also fantastic with sweet potato fries, burgers, or as a dip for vegetables. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.